subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. At the recently held China Mobile Global Partner Conference, ZTE announced the ZTE Axon 25G Extreme Edition, and it also showcased the all-new Blade 20 Pro 5G mid-range phone. Today, the company took to Weibo to confirm that the Blade A20 Pro 5G will break cover on November 30th in China. In the launch poster released by the brand, the Blade 20 Pro 5G can be seen sporting a water-drop notch display. It also reveals that the device will be sporting a curved-edge display. The handset will be arriving as a higher version of the Blade 25G that debuted earlier this month in the home market. ZTE Blade 20 Pro 5G specifications. The Blade 20 Pro 5G has a 6.52-inch IPS LCD display that offers an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio. While the Blade 25G came with the Dimensity 720 chipset, the Pro model will be driven by the Snapdragon 765G SoC. The teardrop notch has a 20-megapixel camera for capturing selfies. The backside of the phone features a quad-camera setup pioneered by a 64-megapixel lens. There is no information available on the configurations of its other cameras. The Blade 20 Pro 5G draws power from a 4,000 battery. It is unclear whether the device supports fast charging. The handset has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It is unclear whether the device has a side-facing or a rear-mounted fingerprint reader. The Blade 20 Pro 5G will be available for purchase from November 30th. The Axon 25G Extreme Edition is also expected to go on sale on the same day. At present, there is no word on the pricing of these devices. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.